Hi everyone, welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. I'm Rohini and let's learn how to paint an ice cream today. Coming on to the art supplies, I'm using Himi Gouache from Thoovi. These are the tubes, 300 GSM paper, 2 jars of water, a palette, tissue or cloth and some brushes. Let's start with the sketch first. On the left side we'll have the ice cream, on the right a coat. Here I'm sketching the first scoop along with the cone. Feel free to make use of a lid or you can even use a scale for the cone. Also I would recommend a pencil which will leave lighter marks because in case you're going to erase anything, your sketch will look tidy. Once you're done with the second scoop, you can erase the middle portion and now moving on to the third scoop. Let's mark some space for the coat and we can start painting the ice cream. I'm using the color earth yellow and a round brush to start painting the cone. Now I'll be mixing some burnt umber with the earth yellow to get a shade that would help me to add some highlight to the cone. Make use of a detailer brush to add some more highlights so that your painting looks more realistic. I'll be using white, ochre and burnt umber to get a color of chocolate to paint the first scoop. Use burnt umber to give a small detail onto the scoop. For painting the next scoop, I am using purple rose color. Adding some burnt umber to the purple rose to get a darker shade for some highlights. I've taken white along with lemon yellow for the third scoop. Adding some earth yellow to the mix of white and lemon yellow to get a shade darker. Make use of black to add some smiley faces to the scoops. I'm sure that the little ones are going to love this step. Adding some blush using the purple rose color. I'm using white to add some more details. I'm using a mix of pink, green and white to paint the background of the coat. You can add a coat of your own choice. I'm using a fine liner to make the artwork stand out. I hope you like this tutorial and we would love to see your creations. For art classes, you can DM me. Thank you.